Good morning, everyone. Like every day, I often get up around 6 o'clock. Then I listen some songs while I brush my teeth and take a shower. I rarely have breakfast, but I usually prepare a meal for my lunch. I will bring it to my office. After I get dressed, put on my makeup. I go to my office at 8 o'clock. I start working at 8:30. The first in the morning, I always breathe with my colleagues. We will review yesterday's sale and commit sale for today. Then I do my paperwork to 10 o'clock. After I visit my customer on the field from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sometimes I am at my office. I will call up my client to introduce about major promotion. I have 1 hour to rest from 12 a.m. to 1 p.m. So I have lunch at 12:15. Then I continue visiting my customer to 4 p.m. After I go back my office to receive customer order by email, phone, or fax. I will create order to send to delivery department. I often finish my working at 5:30 p.m. After I go shopping something in Metro to prepare dinner. I come back home at 6 p.m. Then I cook dinner and take a shower. I have dinner at 7:30 p.m. After I chat online with my friends and newspaper, at 9 p.m. I listen English and do my English homework to 11:30. Finish day, I go to bed at 11:45. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.